In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your blog private on Blogger. Whether you're crafting a personal journal for just a few eyes or creating a professional project needing a touch of exclusivity, Blogger provides the flexibility to control who can view your content. Let's walk through the process together to ensure your blog is seen by the right audience. To get started, you'll first need to sign into your Blogger account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've signed in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all the blogs associated with your account. From here, go ahead and select the specific blog you wish to make private. Remember, it's essential you choose the correct blog, especially if you're managing multiple ones, as each has its own settings. Next, we'll be opening your blog's settings. Look to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find a menu. Click on Settings. This is your control center, where you can customize various aspects of your blog. Once inside the settings, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. This is where the privacy adjustments take place. Now let's move on to restricting reader access. Within the Permissions section, you should see an option labeled Reader Access. This is the key to deciding who can view your blog. When you click on this option, you'll be presented with several choices. These include Public, meaning anyone can access and read your blog. This is typically the default setting if you've just started with Blogger and haven't made any changes yet. If you're looking to keep things a bit more private, the next option is Private to Authors. Choosing this setting ensures that only individuals listed as blog authors can access the content. This is great for collaborative projects or shared personal journals where all contributors can view the material. Lastly, there's the Custom Readers option. This is perfect for those wanting to create an exclusive viewing list. Only the people you specifically invite will be able to access your blog. It's an ideal choice if you're sharing sensitive content or need to cater to a select audience. When you've decided which option best suits your needs, go ahead and select it. If Blogger prompts you to save your changes at this stage, make sure to click Save. Failing to save means your changes won't apply, so it's a crucial final step. And there you have it. Adjusting your blog settings on Blogger to make it private is both straightforward and quick, ensuring your content is distributed exactly as you desire. Tailor your audience and maintain control over your blog's reach. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime your privacy preferences change.